To find courses in Ilmonet, click on Search from the top menu bar. From the institute and location, you can choose the institution you want. For a specific subject, choose a subject here from Subject. By clicking on the plus sign, you can see more subject categories. You can refine your search from teaching language, time, type, target audience, filters. You can also search for a course using the search function, for example by course number, keyword or words, or the teacher's name. There are these smart features that weren't available in the paper version, like quick searches that have, for example, new courses, courses that begin within 2 weeks, courses with available places, or courses that are ongoing right now. To register, first press Login, then choose New User. Authenticate yourself by using your online banking credentials. Fill in the needed information, contact info, native language, service language, education, and employment situation. Create a username and a password, which you can use to log in if you don't want to use online banking credentials. If you would like to receive a newsletter and advertisements about courses, give consent to marketing communications. If you are entitled to discounts, your eligibility for that must be verified at the customer service as soon as possible. About this, you can read more under Terms. Finally, click Save. You can enroll for a course using your online banking credentials or your Ilmonet username and password. First, you choose the course you want to enroll in. Open the course information and read the course description. Then check the time and location. Then click Enroll button. If you're a new student, you first need to create a user account. If you already have an account, log in using either your online banking credentials or your Ilmonet username and password. At this point, it's important to read the Institute's terms and conditions because enrollment is binding. Click I have read the Institute's terms of delivery, and after that click Enroll. This text should appear on the screen. The payment link appears to your Ilmonet account a week before the course begins. First log in to your account in Ilmonet. Choose My Account from the top menu. From the left menu, choose Online Payments. Proceed with payment using your bank's online banking credentials. Finally, the payment information will be saved in the My Information section in Ilmonet website. If you need to cancel your enrollment, first read the Institute's cancellation terms in Ilmonet. If cancellation is possible according to the terms, log into your account and choose My Account from the top menu. From the menu on the left, choose My Courses. You will see a list of all the courses you have enrolled in. Under the course you want to cancel, choose Cancel Enrollment. The course information will open on the screen. Choose Cancel Enrollment again. Now the course is canceled, and you can return to the My Courses page.